Welcome back to AI 360. You don't need any special skills to make $1 million using AI tools. Here's how to use artificial intelligence to boost your earning power. Harnessing the magic of AI. AI is like a magical genie that can turn your dreams into reality. While it might sound complex, the truth is that AI tools have become more accessible and user-friendly than ever before. Here's how you can use them to make your $1 million dreams come true. E-commerce magic. If you've ever dreamt of running your own online store, AI-powered e-commerce platforms like Shopify can help you create an attractive and efficient online business in no time. Content creation. You don't need to be a writer to produce quality content. AI-powered writing assistants like ChatGPT can help you craft engaging blog posts, marketing copies, and more, regardless of your writing skills. Take a moment to subscribe to AI 360 for more money-making tips. We're just getting started. Investing with AI. The stock market can be intimidating, but AI-powered robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment can manage your investments intelligently, even if you have zero financial expertise. AI freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer AI-related freelance opportunities for individuals with various skill levels. You can learn and earn simultaneously. AI-powered creativity. If you're into art and design, AI tools like Adobe's Sensei can enhance your creative projects, making them stand out without the need for extensive artistic skills. The road to your first million. Now that you know how accessible AI tools can be, it's time to take the first steps towards your $1 million goal. Set clear goals. Define your financial objectives. How much do you want to earn, and by when? Having a clear target will give you the motivation to push forward. Continuous learning. Invest time in learning about AI tools and their applications. There are countless online courses, tutorials, and communities where you can acquire knowledge at your own pace. Embrace failure. Remember, setbacks are part of the journey. Don't be discouraged by mistakes. Use them as stepping stones to success. Network and collaborate. Connect with others who share your interests. Join AI-related forums, attend webinars, and collaborate on projects. You never know where your next opportunity might come from. Stay committed. Consistency is key. Stay committed to your goals, and don't give up when faced with challenges. Success often comes to those who persevere. The $1 million dream is yours. In this era of AI, the opportunities are boundless, and the barriers to entry have never been lower. You don't need to be a programming prodigy or a financial genius to make $1 million. With the right mindset, the willingness to learn, and the power of AI tools, you can turn your dreams into a reality. So, go ahead, embark on this exciting journey with optimism in your heart and a determination to succeed. The $1 million dream is within your reach. Let AI be your partner in the adventure of a lifetime. Thank you for watching AI 360. Subscribe and like this video for more content like this.